one really cool and unique things that we do here, and I'm pretty proud of it. If someone breaks off a front tooth, if you're walking out your house in the morning and you hit the car door, break off your front tooth at the root, they're one of the few places I know of, not just in Atlanta, but just in the U.S. that we can come in, we can take that tooth root out, that's if whatever's left of it, or a broken down tooth, put an implant in. We have a digital scanner. My lab tech scans it, goes to his computer, designs the tooth, mills it in our in-house lab, and an hour and a half when I finish, we screw a beautiful looking milled tooth in there. You leave with a nice looking tooth, and I mean, we've had people cry when they leave. It's so awesome, and it's every time we do it, I'm just amazed. I've been doing it like for 3 or 4 years now. People come in and it's like, we can get that tooth out, and it's probably 19 out of 20 situations we can do it. There's a few cases, if it's an abscess tooth, it's broken, there's trauma, the bone's not there, but majority situations, we can do this, and that's a really unique thing. It's a combination of really my years of experience putting implants in to be able to tease this root tip out and not hurt the bone or the gums. We don't even make incisions. Put the implant in, and I've got probably one of the best digital dental lab technicians in the state. I truly think he is, that designs these teeth, and we've just got it set up, and it's pretty awesome. So this whole process, it really gives you, from start to finish, a beautiful tooth. It takes it right out of your thought process, like I've got a broken tooth. You move on with your life, and there's nothing like it because you just have this tooth in your mouth. And when you're done, you go to your dentist, it's done. It doesn't become a hassle in your life. It's just, it removes what a broken front tooth is, a drag. If it keeps breaking off, it doesn't look good. We make this a sweet process for you, and our patients love it, and they send their friends too.